guys, welcome back to my channel, Chelsea So Random. Today we have a very needed noodle dish on my plate today. So we have some beef japchae from my favorite Korean restaurant down the street with some kimchi and some broccoli on the side. So these noodles are made of sweet potato noodles, also known as glass noodles, with some onions in here, some chives, some carrots, some red peppers. I did say onions, some onions, and some beef. So let's get to praying. Let's get to eating, y'all. Amen. All right, you know how we do. It's on my hand, y'all. Don't look. Don't look. Okay. All right. It is freshly gotten. It is still steaming. I don't know if you guys can see that steam coming off of that right there. Ooh. I'll give y'all the first bite. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, I'm dropping noodles. It's good. You'll hear my husband in the background, y'all. He's in the kitchen cooking his food. You know, when I'm eating, he eating. So if you hear some bubbling, some splashing, some cutting, some utensils, there's him in the background. Look how big the vegetables are. Are you falling asleep? If you've never had japchae, give it a try. Water is the drink of choice today, y'all. This is my first meal of the day, y'all. Most likely gonna be my last meal of the day. My husband is throwing stuff because he's upset that I said that. Look at that beef, y'all. That steam. Y'all, kind of stuck in my throat. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna get like a bubble like back here when you're eating. What is that? The onions, they hit, y'all. The noodles, the consistency of the noodles are kind of sticky or gummy, so it's kind of hard to twirl them. So you gotta just shovel it in, y'all. A little bit of broccoli. It's actually very seasoned, y'all. I don't know what it's seasoned with. Maybe with some sesame oil, maybe. One more. Look at that broccoli. Wow. And some kimchi. Nicely fermented cabbage. Some of the best kimchi in Richmond, y'all. Have a bite. Oh, no. Y'all. Oh, no. Get in my eye. The show don't stop. Okay, honey. I have food on my forehead. Thank you, babe. Right here. Go. Look. I got EMS services, PR. Oh, hold on, y'all. Ooh. Y'all. The malfunctions on this video. Okay. Y'all, I gotta be careful. Pull gently. Now there's gonna be beef stuff in my eye. Y'all. That's why it helps to have another person with you while filming. Because I don't want to be having this mukbang with a piece of beef stuck on my forehead. Y'all. Look at that. Look at my onions. My onions are huge. And then I'm being extra cautious while eating, y'all. The broccoli extra saucy, y'all. Excuse me. Another bite, y'all. Be careful, it's dangerous. This food, eating this food is dangerous, y'all. I love like well-seasoned vegetables, y'all. Pull it away from my face, not toward. And you can get this dish in different ways. You can get chicken or beef, or you can get it vegetable style. But we beef eaters around here. But my husband prefers chicken. And back up a little bit. Back up. Now my husband is being so cautious over there, fixing his ramen, because he don't want to disrupt the broadcast. That's okay. We're in the kitchen. The kitchen has noises, okay? I'm pretty sure people who subscribe to me are okay with that. Look at that kimchi, y'all. Let's mix it with a little bit of the noodles. My husband is in the ramen experimentation phase, so he uses the plain ramen pack with the actual dry noodles, and he mixes the seasoning from old packs that he saved. So he on his mad scientist with ramen noodles, y'all. And then he'd add like chicken bone broth for the actual water part of the boiling. So that has flavor too, y'all. He's becoming a ramen nest. That is some juicy, y'all. Oops. That is some juicy broccoli. What? Oh, good. I know I haven't featured my Olipop on my like mukbangs lately because my mukbang have been so carb heavy that I'm like, oh, I need some water. But they'll come back, y'all. Mm. Mm. So, news about the household, y'all. Something to talk about with y'all. So, I don't know if you all guys know, if you are just recently subscribing to my channel, I dabbled in vlogs a bit throughout my channel. You'll see them. And last year, November, we purchased our house, the one I'm in right now. Purchased our house. We were kickstarting, you know, doing renovations and, well, planning to do renovations, home decor. But you know what happens? Work and life gets in the way, and it slows down progress in that area. So we've just started to pick back up on decorating our home, and we went to Hobby Lobby and Home Goods the other day and found some good pieces. Was it Home Goods? No, we went to Home Goods. We didn't find anything, but Hobby Lobby had some pictures that we loved. Got that. Ordered this couch from my office, y'all. Am I excited? I'm excited. Because basically it's going to be like a office, studio, relaxation area for me. Like while I'm like not at work, but I want to hang out somewhere. My studio. It's so good. So that'll be, I think we have a game plan now where we can actually work on something monthly. Basically by the next 6 months, we should be well into finishing the decor phase and can transition. I can't speak. We should be finishing up the decor phase and transitioning into the home renovation slash home improvement phase, which considerably takes more money than decor. But that's what happens when you get a home. You gotta be patient, put in the work, and slowly over time, you'll have your forever home. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited. But you know, it's hard for me to stay patient though. But I'm working on that. I'm working on that. One time y'all gotta try this kimchi. Y'all have to try this. Look how red it is. And the reason why I have the foil so at the bottom because it's gonna trap that heat in, y'all. Keep it warm. No one likes cold noodles unless you have an actual dish that calls for cold noodles. And y'all, ooh, what's that I just ate? Y'all, we're at 471 subscribers, y'all. We're almost at 500 subscribers, y'all. Thank you for everyone who's decided to hit that subscribe button and join my channel and watch my videos and comment and like and share with your friends and your enemies, okay? Thank y'all so much. I will be doing a giveaway once we hit 1,000 subscribers. And of course, y'all, it's gonna be food. Either I'm gonna give away a nice lunch or a nice dinner somewhere. Okay? So I'm excited about that because to me, somebody providing food for someone is like one of the most kind and I think good things to do for one another. And y'all, come on. Free food? Excuse me. I don't know where it came from. Excuse me. Yo, I'm so scared. I'm so scared of this thing right now. And the thing I got into, y'all, are the Gel X nails, y'all. I tried it for the first time last Sunday, so a week ago. And it came out quite nice. I was like, hold on. Because if y'all don't know, I'm a dip girl, okay? I was into the dip nails, like the powder and stuff. But it took so long. Like, I literally would be procrastinating doing my nails because it took so long. So then I was on YouTube, of course, scrolling. And they were like, oh, this viral press-on nail kind of Gel X company called BT Art Box. And I was like, and I went into a deep dive, like for months looking at it. I'm like, I gotta try this. Finally tried it. And I'm impressed. Excuse me, y'all. I'm very impressed. And I'm wearing them now. Probably can't really tell because, y'all, it looked like my natural nails. What? This kimchi is too good. Ooh. I'm scared. If you hear that clanging, that's my son, y'all. My bad, y'all. Eat some more. Get some of them veggies. It's a little gelatinous. You gotta shake it a bit to loosen the clumps and the noodles. I lost some meat. Hold on. To me, this dish is very similar to Tink's. I can speak. To me, this dish is very similar to Singapore made fun. You can get at your local Chinese takeout place. But this is more like somebody's family member, somebody Korean family member made this, y'all. It's very homey tasting. It's a deep profile when it comes to taste. Depends on who making it. It can be sweet as well. So be aware of that if you don't like sweet, like noodles. That mixture of vegetables and meat. Oh, wow, that's so good. This feel good. Uh-oh. Y'all, I hear thunderstorms. I hear thunder. Oh, I hear thunderstorms. I hear thunder. Who else is excited for fall? Fall is the #1 season, y'all. Like, oh, I love summer. How? How? And what way is summer loved? Okay? I'm so excited. I'm so excited for fall. The boots. The jackets. Okay, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Eee. The jackets. I could depress my hair out. Come on. I want to buck at it. It's so good. I can say for 100% certainty, this meal, I was eating very much slow compared to my other videos. Yeah, but it was worth it though. You gotta savor something like this, y'all. You gotta savor something like that. Also because I'm being cautious because beef flew in my eye, in my forehead. Why are you so good? Oh no. It's so salty and spicy. I wonder how good kimchi is for you. So good. My battery, y'all. Hold on. Okay, we're back. I had to change the battery, y'all. Because I was like, I will not finish this mukbang and then my battery just cut out and the food already gone. No, we can't do that. We can't do that. Look at all them onions. Ooh, I'm afraid. Look at all them onions, y'all. At this point, y'all, just vegetables and meat. Look at that kimchi. Go ahead, so y'all can see. Let's go ahead and dump it out on the side. Put that down. We're getting to the end, y'all. I will be switching to a spoon soon, because sometimes chopsticks can slow you down. The Olympics are done. Comment below which sport y'all enjoy watching the most. For me, it was the track and the gymnastics side. Simone Biles, come on. I just watch it to see how better does she get every year. I don't think I realized how tall she is. How tall is Simone Biles? I'm struggling. Struggling, y'all. Okay. These chopsticks might work. Y'all, that's it. My husband tiptoeing back in the kitchen. All right, this is the last bite, y'all. Quite literally. Cheers. Y'all, we're done. That's the end of this mukbang. Thank you for watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this video with a friend or an enemy, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.